is about to set the nation in terms of being a committed man. And he has done that again. Why don't you think of it?
People. We are a people respected all over the world, whether in the United States, in Britain, in South Africa, anywhere. The good of Nigeria is there. Do not allow this current leadership to destroy the tenacity, the hope, and the determination and the resilience of all Nigerians. I particularly appeal to the youth of this country who are unemployed on account of the horrible policies of the current administration. Keep hope alive. PDP is back, and PDP will be back with good government and good policies. The economy will expand. Nigerians will come back to work. Nigeria will produce and export. Nigeria will be a great country once more. I want to assure you, all of you who are non-Nigerians, that we are determined as a political party to do the needful, unite ourselves, work hard, mobilize fellow Nigerians, take over power, rebuild our country, and then shame those foreign detractors who are prophesying doom that Nigeria is going to break up. Nigeria is not going to break up. Nigeria will remain united, productive, respected, and be in the forefront of world affairs. Very soon, you will see what I'm telling you. We have done it before, we will do it again. We are standing in this great stadium, named after one of our great sons in Benue, His Excellency Governor Aper-Aku. He was not a failure, he was a fighter. He also worked under the leadership of my father, Mr. J.S. Taka, who led not just the people of the minority nationalities, but in 1979 and 1983, he again led the MPN. Then it was Boko 83. And MPN won. President Shehu Shagari emerged as the president of Nigeria. I am determined to follow in their footsteps of my fathers, Senator J. Starker and Governor Aper-Aku, and my brother who is departed, Governor Iyorchia Ayu. We shall lead Nigeria back to victory. PDP, under the leadership of another son of Benue, will make sure that we rebuild our party. Today, the APC, using all sorts of propaganda, has made people to erroneously believe that PDP is gone. We are here. And the rescue and rebuilding process started at the National Convention we just had. Those who were predicting that the convention will pull the party apart, we are disappointed. Everybody today talks of how well the convention under the leadership of Governor of Adamawa State, Fintri, was organized. We put our house in order. We produced a leadership, and I'm happy to inform the people of Benue that, and Nigeria at large, that the National Working Committee I have today, I'm proud of them. I have met with them 4 times already to map out the necessary agenda to take this party to the highest level, not to the next first level. We are sure we will mobilize all our members. We will build our party by teamwork. I have made it clear that I don't see myself as a messiah. I see myself as a team leader who will be leading a big army with several divisions. We have the Governor's Division. We have the National Assembly Division. We have the state party leaders who form another powerful division. We have the world leaders. We have local government leaders. We have several others, members of the BOT. Every single member of the PDP will be carried along. It is the only way we shall rebuild our party, fighting together, working together. And whatever challenge we face, it will not be I as an individual. It is we collectively who will confront that challenge squarely. And this includes the forthcoming elections. First in Ekiti, followed by Osun. The PDP will fight tooth and nail to win those two elections. We want to give notice to all Nigerians that we started this party with 21 state governors. We built it to 28 state governors. Those mistakes that were made, that made us to lose elections, will be corrected. And it is my firm belief that in spite of the focus people are putting on only the national, we are determined to reclaim at least 25 states in this country. We are determined to claim the two houses of the National Assembly, both the Senate and the House of Representatives. We are going to stop the drift of people migrating from the PDP to the other party. Already, there are many, many other members of the party in different states who have contacted me that they are returning back home to their party. Apart from the old members who are returning home, we shall move to have a serious mobilization drive to recruit all Nigerians, with special emphasis on young persons and women who constitute over 50% of the population, particularly the voting population. Our policies will be not only youth-friendly, it will be women-friendly. And by the time we map out the necessary strategies and action, I believe that by March next year, PDP will become again the strongest and dominant party, a strong machine ready to go into the election and defeat the opposition. I want to thank every one of you. First, especially my governor, Governor Samuel Otom, who was not the war leader in the fight to ensure that I was elected.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.